Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a first impressions on the W7 Mighty Matte palette. This was actually sent to me for review, so we're going to review it. As you can tell, I've done my makeup. I am actually currently doing a wear test on the W7 Very Vegan foundation, so I don't know if that's going to go up first or whatever, but it's going to be a W7 week. But anyway, I haven't actually played with this yet. You get all matte shades, which are beautiful. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do. I'm just going to the doctor's, but I just thought I would do a first impression. So you do get a kind of a brush with it, which I'm not going to use, so I will use my own. I have primed, I've done my base, I'm about to head out. The names of the shades are on the back. I will try and remember to list the shades that I used down below because stopping and starting will be a tad tedious, I believe. Alright, so we're going to start. I think it's good that they brought out an affordable all matte palette at the drugstore because not a lot of drugstore palettes are matte. They are mostly shimmers. Elf Elf blending brush, are you? What are you? A crease brush. Okay, so they pick up really well. Okay, I wasn't expecting the white to be that pigmented. That's actually quite good. It's made a difference. Okay, so first off, I'm actually quite impressed because a matte white is particularly hard to do. I might actually just say what it is. What are you? What can I read? No, wait, I can't read. I'm blind. I'm going to go in with a slightly darker brown. Kind of like a taupey brown. So there is a little bit of kick up in pan. Not too bad. I've got yeah, so the pigment is there. You can see like it's given a nice shadow to deepen up my crease. They're quite smooth too. Overall, I'm quite impressed. It's a nice transition shade. There's a little bit of fallout. Really impressed with that white shade though. I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to take that brown there, slightly going darker into the crease. They pick up well. They're not going muddy. And being a matte palette for $10, like they actually build up well and blend. Like there is a little bit of fallout, but overall and they're quite a smooth shadow. There's no patchiness. I'm quite impressed. I think just to deepen up the outer V a little bit, I'm going to take the chocolate brown colour. This is another e.l.f. brush with some fluff on it to get off. They're really quite pigmented. They blend really easily. I really like this palette. I'm going to add a little bit more on that side and then I'll see what I'm going to do to the lid. So far I'm really impressed with this palette. I'm going to add that shade to the lid of that. Super pigmented. I'm actually really impressed. They feel really soft. That same shell colour to the brown bone. That's really pretty, like it's contoured my eye really well. Clean up that little bit of fallout. Overall, I'm really impressed with the palette. They are pigmented, blend out really well. The tins are really pretty. Smooth, really buttery, not dry or chalky. What do you guys think? Are you going to be buying this palette? Let me know in the comments. I think they blend out quite well. They're not patchy whatsoever. Didn't take long to blend out either, which I appreciate. I'm really impressed with this palette. Alright guys, subscribe to my small YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another video soon.